Did you know that using artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT can drastically reform your business marketing? If you've ever felt overwhelmed by technology, our complimentary workshop is your opportunity. It's here we demystify artificial intelligence and show you exactly how to harness ChatGPT to drive business growth. From text to images, artificial intelligence isn't the future. It's the now. Neglecting its potential can lead to lost opportunities and stagnant growth. But fear not, these ChatGPT sessions are not just a workshop, it's your path to artificial intelligence mastery.
Ready for business growth with AI? Join us at Business Tech Corner on Thursdays at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. In our Get It Done sessions, you'll implement AI solutions on the spot. Visit bit.ly/H7TechCorner and claim your seat. Your future, automated and efficient, is waiting.